Welcome to another session of Dose It Right. Today, we are not just learning, we are cracking some real drug calculation problems together. Let's get started. The first question is convert the following. Convert 0.05 gram to milligram. So, we all know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So, we need to multiply 0.05 into 1000. So, now we will get 50. So, the conversion is 0.05 gram is equal to 50 milligram. Next one, 0.025 liters to milliliters. In this, we all know 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. So, the calculation will be 0.025 into 1000 is equal to 25 ml. So, 0.025 liters equal to 25 ml. The next question is convert 1575 microgram to milligram. In this, 1575 microgram divided by 1000 is equal to 1.575 milligram. So, 1575 microgram is equal to 1.575 milligram. 750 milligram 2 grams. In this, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So, 750 milligram divided by 1000 milligram is equal to 0.75 gram. So, 750 milligram is equal to 0.75 gram. A patient is prescribed 0.25 milligram of digoxin orally once daily. How many tablets should you give? The question is, a patient is prescribed 0.25 milligram of digoxin orally once daily. How many tablets should you give? So, the prescribed dose is equal to 0.25 milligram and the available dose is equal to 250 microgram. So, in this case what we will do, 0.25 milligram into 1000 microgram divided by 1 mg. So, the answer will be 250 microgram. So, we will give 1 tablet to the patient. We will give 1 tablet to the patient. The next question, a patient is prescribed insulin 22 units subcutaneously. How many ml should you give? The stock is 10 ml vial of 100 units in 1 ml. In this, the prescribed dose is equal to 22 units. Available dose is equal to 10 ml vial of 100 units in 1 ml. So, the calculation will be 22 units divided by 100 units into 1 ml. So we will give 0.22 ml of insulin to the patient. So the answer will be 0.2 ml insulin. Next question is, you drop 10 ml of 2% lidocaine in a syringe. How many mg of lidocaine is there in 10 ml? So in our calculation, 2% of lidocaine is equal to 2 gram of lidocaine in 100 ml of solution. So 2% solution of lidocaine means 2 gram of lidocaine in 100 ml solution. So 0.2 gram in 10 ml. So we know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 0.2 into 1000 is equal to 200 milligram. So in 10 ml there will be 200 mg of lidocaine. Next one is, you have a stock vial of diclofenac that is 75 mg in 3 ml and need to drop a dose of 50 mg for your patient. How many ml should you drop to give this dose? So it's an easy question. The prescribed dose is equal to 50 mg and the available dose is equal to 75 mg. So we will do 50 divided by 75 into 3 is equal to 2 ml. So we will give 2 ml of diclofenac injection to the patient. Next question is, a patient weighing 60 kg is prescribed intravenous dopamine 4 micrograms per kg per minute. Calculate the infusion rate in mLs per hour. The available stock is dopamine 200 mg in 50 ml glucose 5%. In this, we need to divide it into 4 portions and do the calculation. The first one is, we need to find out the dose of dopamine in microgram per minute. So for that, we need to multiply the weight of the patient, that is 60 kg into 4 microgram is equal to, we will get 240 microgram per minute. The next step is, we need to convert it to microgram per hour. Microgram per hour. For that, we need to multiply 240 microgram into 60, that is 60 minutes per minute per hour. So we will get 14,400 microgram per hour. 14,400 microgram per hour. Now we need to convert it into milligram per hour. For that, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 14,400 microgram divided by 1000 is equal to 14.4 milligram per hour. So now our prescribed dose will be 14.4 milligram per hour. Now we need to convert it into milliliter per hour. For that, Our prescribed dose is 14.4 milligram divided by the available stock was 200 mg into, we need to give it in 50 ml glucose 5%. That's why it's 50 ml. So we will get the answer is 3.6 ml per hour. I'll repeat the step. First, we need to find out the dose of dopamine in microgram per minute. Then we need to convert it into microgram per hour. Then we need to convert milligram per hour. Then finally, we will get the infusion rate in milliliter per hour. The next question is, what is the total daily dose in milligram when drug B is prescribed to an adult weighing 75 kg at dose of 40 microgram per kg per day in 3 divided doses? So, we need to calculate total daily dose in mg. So, for that we will do the weight of the patient, that is 75 kg into the dose of our medicine, that is 40 microgram, is equal to 3000 microgram. We know 1 milligram is equal to 1000 microgram. So this 3000 microgram is equal to 3 milligram. So the answer will be 3 milligram. The next question is related to question 7 only. How many mg is required for a single dose in question 7 above? So in the question 7, we find out the answer is as 3 mg. So now we need to find out in a single dose how many mg will be there. For that, 3 mg, the answer was 3 mg per day. That is 3 mg divided by 3, that is 3 divided doses. So our answer will be 1. So 1 mg is a single dose patient will get. Next question is, to administer 500 microgram of adrenaline intravenously, how many mLs should you give? To administer 500 microgram of adrenaline intravenously, how many ml should you give? The available stock is adrenaline 10 ml solution of 1 in 10,000. The first we need to see 1 in 10,000. That means 1 gram in 10,000. Same as 1000 mg in 10,000 ml. It's like 1 in 10,000 means 1 gram in 10,000 ml. So that is 1 gram is 10,000 mg. That is 10,000 mg in 10,000 ml. Now we need to convert. Then we need to minimize this. That is 1 mg in 10 ml. Okay. Now we need to convert this to microgram. So 1 mg in 10 ml is equal to 1000 microgram in 10 ml. So therefore 500 microgram, that is prescribed dose divided by available dose, that is 1000 microgram into 10 ml, that is adrenaline 10 ml solution is available. So is equal to 5 ml. The answer will be the 5 ml of injection adrenaline we need to administer to the patient. So I'll repeat, 1 in 10,000, that is 1 gram in 10,000 ml. So that is 1000 milligram in 10,000 ml and 1 mg in 10 ml. So 1 mg in 10 ml, that is 1000 microgram in 10 ml. Therefore, the prescribed dose is 500 microgram divided by available dose is 1000 microgram into 10 ml. The answer will be 5 ml. The last question is, to administer 400 microgram of folic acid syrup orally, how many ml should you give? We need to administer 400 microgram of folic acid syrup orally. How many ml should you give? The available stock is folic acid 2.5 mg in 5 ml. So, we will do the available dose is equal to 2.5 mg in 5 ml. So, it's equal to 2500 microgram in 5 ml. So, our prescribed dose is equal to 400 microgram. So, 400 microgram divided by 2500 microgram into 5 ml is equal to 0.8 ml. So, we need to give syrup 0.8 ml of folic acid to the patient.
Great work mastering these concepts. Remember, accuracy and attention to detail are essential when it comes to drug calculation. With practice, you will build the confidence to handle any situation safely and effectively. Coming up next, we are exploring pediatric calculations. Don't miss it. See you soon. Thank you.